MEMONEET's Crossword feature is one of its kind, which allows you to have a fun approach towards learning, and it's an assurance that no other app in the market is going to provide you the same features as that of MEMONEET. The crossword feature is meant especially for those students who have already read their NCERT enough and are looking for a different way to revise the NCERT again. Our crossword feature is based on data insufficiency method. But what is it? By this method, you won't be able to solve the complete crossword until and unless you solve each and every questions in the given crossword, because the answer of all the questions given in the crossword are indirectly linked to each other. And here's the catch. Either you solve all the questions or else you have to look out for each and every answer in the NCERT textbooks, and as a result of which, to solve the entire crossword, you will end up revising and re-revising NCERT textbooks again and again. I can guarantee you that you won't find a feature like this in any other app. So, what are you waiting for? Give this new feature in MEMONEET app a sure shot try.